The adrenals are our stress glands. When we're under stress, it's our adrenal glands that are basically like the National Guard of our body handling the stress. This happens through something called the HPA axis, which stands for the hypothalamus pituitary adrenal axis. And so when we're under stress, whether it's physical or emotional or chemical stress, our adrenals utilize nutrition and minerals to try to handle that stress. But the problem is, the average person in America today is exposed to over 1,000 times the stressors that our forefathers were exposed to even 100 years ago. The result of all this stress is that so many people's adrenal glands are failing. The symptoms of low adrenal function is, first of all, lowered energy. That difficulty of getting out of bed in the morning, the desire to hit the snooze 5, 6, 7 times. And then once you get going, if you need coffee, not like coffee, but you need coffee or caffeine to get through your day, what you're doing is you're whipping your poor, tired adrenals. When most people feel the exhaustion of lower adrenals, other than right when they wake up, is after lunch. If you feel like you need to take a nap around 2 or 3 o'clock, it's a sign of poor adrenal function. As your adrenals continue to fail, what happens is you gain weight around the belly. These are the type of people that have the tire around their waist that is just, you cannot, no matter how much you exercise or how much you diet, you can't get it to go away. It's from chronically high cortisol. Also, laxicity of your ligaments, especially of your knees and low back. If you feel like you do very little or almost nothing and your back or knees go out, it's a strong indication of lowered adrenal function. And then the last one is dizziness, especially dizziness when you go from laying to standing, because it's the adrenal's job to help regulate blood pressure. And so if you know you're overstressed, if you're using caffeine, sugar, alcohol to try to work through the stress, if you're having all the symptoms of low adrenals, what you need to do is you need to feed your adrenal glands. The adrenals need vitamins, minerals, and fats. And so our product, which we named Adrenal Food, is just that. It provides all the nutrition for your stress gland, your HPA axis, to be able to handle all of this additional stress and then to heal. It's essential. And so one more time, if you feel like you're under stress, Adrenal Food will become your best friend.